have in front of me a Spigot column reducer / adapter. So the idea of this is to reduce a pole that will have an input size of 76 millimeters, which would be standard for, we'll say, light poles, and have an output then of 60 millimeters. The design of it here, it's galvanized steel, so it's really heavy duty. It's available with small parcel, low cost delivery, because it's a reasonably small unit. And the key point here is that there's 3 sort of grub screws around the edge here. And if you had an Allen key here, what you'd be doing is you'd be using this to widen it out and then to screw it back in. So the Allen key size you need for this is about 5.5 millimeters. So if we loosen this off, if we've got a vernier calipers here and check the overall dimensions here, instead of being exactly 76 millimeters, what it would be is actually just over 80 millimeters. So it means it sits down snugly over the top of the pole, and then what we use is the Allen key to lock it into position. And when it's locked in there, then we've effectively now reduced it to a 60 millimeter pole. So what would you use that in conjunction with? Well, the next thing you'd normally put on, and this is obviously in the street lighting section on freetv.ie, would probably be something like this, where you come along and you want to put on a light. So what you do is you just come along. This here again is designed to go over a 60 millimeter, but the actual dimensions of this is probably about 64 or 65 millimeters. You drop it on, you get your Allen key again, you lock it into position, and you can put your street light directly off it, for instance. So the Spigot here, you know, it's not a huge volume thing, but it's a necessary part if you're trying to do the overall thing. So we have it in stock, ready to go. You can just order it, get it delivered the next day, and it's a nice product in terms of the overall build quality on it.